Good morning, students. Last class we were saying about the topic normal kingdom Animalia. Okay, what is the meaning of kingdom Animalia? Kingdom Animalia comprises a million of animal species. Normally, the animals is divided into the two category. What is the meaning of two category? Invertebrate, another one vertebrate. What is the meaning of invertebrate? Invertebrate means study about the without backbone animals. That is called invertebrate. Next one vertebrate. What is the meaning of vertebrate? Vertebrate otherwise called as a chordate. What is chordate? With backbone, that is called with backbone animals, that is called chordate. Okay, it is common. What are the 10, 11 phylum? What is the mainly 35 phylum is present. In major 11 phylum is very important. What are the main 11 phylum? The first one name 11 phylum Protozoa. The second one phylum Porifera. Okay, the third phylum Coelenterata. The third phylum Coelenterata. The fourth phylum Platyhelminthes. Okay, next fifth one phylum Ascalminthes. Okay, so next phylum Annelida. So next phylum Arthropoda. So next phylum Annelida, Arthropoda. Next phylum Mollusca. So next phylum Echinodermata. So next phylum Hemichordata. So next phylum Chordata. Okay, so what are the 11 phylum name? Okay, remember it. Next first one Protozoa, Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Ascalminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. These are the 11 important phylum. Let us see one by one. Okay, the first phylum Protozoa. Protozoa is a unicellular organism. What is the meaning of unicellular organism? It is made up of single gene. Only one gene, that is called unicellular organism. Okay, the example amoeba. The next phylum Porifera. In today's class we have discussed about the first three phylum Porifera to Synapora. Okay, the first one Porifera, phylum Porifera. The what is the meaning of phylum Porifera? Example sponges. Porifera example sponges. What is the meaning of sponges, ma'am? These are pore-bearing animals are commonly called sponges. These are pore-bearing animals. These pore-bearing animals are commonly called sponges. So what is the meaning of pore-bearing? Pore na small holes. For example, this is a sponges. Idan sponges அப்படிங்கிறது. They are aquatic. They are exclusively in marine. Okay, and mostly marine. They are aquatic and mostly marine. They are the unicellular or it is a asymmetrical. It is a multicellular organization. What is multicellular? It is made up of more than one cell. First organism Protozoa example amoeba. Porifera example the sponges. First organism unicellular goes to the multicellular. The sponges is the multicellular organization. Okay, the sponges they look like a small holes is present. That is called the pore pair. The sponges. Okay, the pore-bearing animals are commonly called sponges. They are next one. These are aquatic and marine, mostly marine. Okay, what is the meaning of marine? Mostly marine. So next one, it is a radially symmetrical, either radially symmetrical or asymmetrical animal. Either radially symmetrical or asymmetrical animal. Okay, so next one, it is a multicellular. Another important point, it is a multicellular. Another one is a sessile organism. sessile organism. So what is mostly marine na tegi kadala valu. Okay, either radially symmetrical or asymmetrical. What is radially symmetrical? Radially symmetrical na enna pa? So what is radially symmetrical? The body parts are arranged around the central axis. If we cut the central axis, we can get equal parts. That is called radial symmetry. Okay. So next one, asymmetrical na absent of symmetry. And the symmetry it is called absent of symmetrical. So next one, what is the name of multicellular? It is made up of more than one cell. That is called multicellular. Next, what is the meaning of sessile organism? It is easily to attach to another one. That is called sessile organism. Okay. So next one, where the water enter through the small pores is called astrea. Next point, the water enter through, where water enter through small pore called astrea. Okay, the small pore ku per enaduppa astrea. Another one important, osculum is present. Our next one, osculum. The osculum na mouth nu solluvaanga adula. Okay, astrea, the water entering the small pore is called astrea. For example, see the sponges ma, the small hole is present. Okay, in the small structure ku per enna solranga na astrea. When water enter through the astrea, in the hole valiyala enna seiyum, water is enter agum. Okay va, this water transport system, what is the use of that water transport system? The astrea is a water transport system. This water transport system is helpful in the food gathering. Okay, circulation. What is the useful of the water transport system? Water transport system. Okay, food gathering. Okay, so next one, circulation, respiration. Okay, the water transport system include the water that help in the help in the food gathering, circulation and the circulation of blood. Next, respiration, what is meaning of exchange of gases and the exchange are helpful. Which one is helpful? The water transport system. What is the water transport system? The astrea acts as the water transport system. Why? The water enter through the small pore. This is the water transport system. This water transport system helpful in the food gathering, circulation and respiration. Okay, do you understand? So another one, removal of waste to remove the water transport system is very helpful. Okay, so next one, another one important point, the body is supported by calcareous and siliceous. Okay, next, body is supported by, the body எதனால இது சப்போர்ட் ஆயிருக்குன்னா, அது தொட்டு பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா அது என்ன இருக்குமா, calcareousனா calcium is present. அந்த இதுல என்ன smallest letter ஆயிருக்கும், supported by, the support in the body is made, supported by, skeleton is made up of. Next one, the body is supported by, skeleton made up of calcareous and siliceous. Silica present ஆயிருக்கும், calcareous na calcium is present. Okay, calcareous and siliceous is present. Okay, so the calcareous siliceous is present. The next one, the all sponges are hermaphrodite. So what is the meaning of hermaphrodite na? The all sponges ella what is the meaning of hermaphrodite na? The male and female reproductive organ present in the same animal, that is all hermaphrodite. What is the meaning of hermaphrodite? This is a hermaphrodite means the male and female animal are present in the same animal. So all sponges are hermaphrodite. Next one, all sponges hermaphrodite. What is the meaning of hermaphrodite, students? The male and female reproductive organ present in the same animal. ஒரே animalல male reproductive organ இருக்கும், female reproductive organ present ஆயிருந்தா that is called hermaphrodite. So all sponges என்னதா? What is this? All sponges are hermaphrodite. Okay, so next one, reproduction method is asexual method. Another one, reproduction method is asexual. What is the meaning of asexual ma? Asexual na absent of sexual. Okay, absent of male parent, female parent ஒரே மாதிரி asexual நடக்காது. It is called asexual method. Next one, the development is indirect but in different larval stages. Development indirect development, indirect development. It is not a direct development. It is indirect development. What are the larval stages? Ambiplastula. Larval stages name parenchyma. Larval stages parenchyma and ambiplastula. Ambiplastula. Okay. So what are the larval stages? Parenchyma and ambiplastula. These are the important points of salient features of the phylum Porifera. Okay. Do you understand the phylum Porifera? Phylum Porifera example sponges. Okay. The pore-bearing animals are called sponges. They are mostly marine and sessile. They are multicellular organisms. Okay. They have a small the water entered through a small holes is called astia and ascarius is present. Okay. The water transport system. The astia is the water transport system. What is the help of the water transport system? Help in the food gathering, circulation, respiration and removal of waste. Okay. So next one, the sponges are made up of calcareous skeleton. The sponges or skeleton is made up of calcareous and siliceous. Calcium and silica is present. Next, the all sponges are hermaphrodite. What is the hermaphrodite? Both male and female reproductive organ present in the same animal. That is called hermaphrodite. Okay. So next one, it is a asex. What is the meaning of asexual? It is a absent of sexual animal. It is a direct is indirect development. Many larval stages. What are the larval stages name? Ambiplastula and parenchyma. Okay. So next phylum Cnidaria. Next phylum Cnidaria. So next phylum Cnidaria. Cnidaria is previously called Coelenterata. Cnidaria previously called Coelenterata. Cnidaria. Next phylum Cnidaria. The Coelenterata previously called Coelenterata. Nowadays we are called the phylum Cnidaria. Okay. So what is a Cnidaria phylum? Coelenterata phylum, Cnidaria phylum. They are aquatic, marine, mostly marine. Okay. Another one, they are sessile or free swimming. Sessile or free swimming. So what is the meaning of free swimming? தனியாக நீந்திக்கிட்டு இருந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். தனியாக நீந்துற மாதிரி பார்க்க தெரியும். ஓகே. இதோட எக்ஸாம்பிள் சிலிண்டரோட எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஹைட்ரா, கோரல் ரீஃப்ஸ், ஒபிலியா இது எல்லாமே சிலிண்டரோட பெஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள். ஓகே. ஹைட்ராங்கிறது அப்படின்னா இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். திஸ் இஸ் ஹைட்ரா. திஸ் இஸ் ஹைட்ரா. ஓகே. திஸ் இஸ் ஹைட்ரா. This is Hydra. Okay. So the Cnidaria family mostly are marine and sessile or free. What is the meaning of sessile? Means it attached to another one, that is called sessile. Next one, they are solitary or colonial form. So what is the meaning of solitary? Solitary or colonial form. Colonial form. So what is the meaning of solitary? Not தனியா இருக்கும் sometimes. Sometimes they are mostly colonial form. What is the meaning of colonial form? அப்படினா what is the meaning of colonial? Colonial கூட்டமா colonial form சொல்வாங்க. It is a colony அப்படினா கூட்டமா இருக்கும், காலனியா இருக்கும். That is called colonial or colonial form. Colonial form. So next one, they are important point. The Cnidaria are radially symmetrical. What is the meaning of radial symmetrical? The symmetry of the type radial symmetry. What is the meaning of radial symmetry? The body parts are arranged around the central axis. If we cut the central axis, we can get equal cost. That is called radial symmetry. Okay. So next one, the Cnidaria are the first group of tissue level organization. First one, Protozoa is the unicellular organization. Next one, Porifera is the unicellular organization. The Coelenterata is the first tissue level organization. Already know what is the level of organization. First group of cell joined together tissue. Appo first tissue level of organization eduppa the Cnidaria or Coelenterata family. Okay. So they are the diploplastic animal. So what is the meaning of diploplastic? Diploplastic is a germ layers is present. What is the germ layers? Germ layers derived from the gestation period. What is the meaning of germ layers? Two types of diploplastic. Ectoderm, endoderm present. So it is called as the diploplastic. What is the meaning of diploplastic? Ectoderm, ectoderm and endoderm present. Okay, the ectoderm endoderm give rise to the organs, mouth, eye, ear, இந்த மாதிரி organ develop ஆகிறதா diploplastic or triploplastic சொல்றது. இது this type வந்து diploplastic னா only ectoderm and endoderm present. Okay, next one, the single opening is called the mouth is present. Okay, the serve as the process in the single opening is mouth is present. Okay, which serve as the process of ingestion and egestion. Okay, ஒரே பார்ட் தான் ரெண்டுக்கு வேலை பார்க்குது. ஓகேவா, சிம்பிள். single opening it serves as the process. Single opening is called the mouth. It serves as the process. Two type of process. What is the two type of process? Ingestion and egestion. Ingestion and egestion. Ingestion na விழுங்கிறது, egestion na excretion, வெளியே வர்றது. Okay, the two process. Next one, the digestion is two type. What is the digestion is two type? Intracellular and extracellular. What is the meaning of digestion ma? Digestion na large food molecules are converted to smaller food molecules, that is called digestion. Okay, so what is the two type of digestion? Extracellular and intracellular. Okay, so what is the meaning of extracellular? Extracellular na digestion take place outside the cell, that is called extracellular. Next one, intracellular. What is the meaning of intracellular na digestion take place inside the cell, that is called intracellular. This outside the cell. Outside. Intracellular na inside the cell. Okay, do you understand what is the main difference between the extracellular and intracellular? Okay, next one. Next, corals are coral. Mainly example எடுத்தனே coral reef, பவளப்பாறைன்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல, ஏதோ எக்ஸாம்பிள். The corals are made up of the calcium carbonate. அந்த எதனால உருவாயிருக்கு அப்படின்னா coral reef ன்னு சொல்றோம்ல, அதான் coral, பவளப்பாறை. It's made up of calcium carbonate. Okay, so next one, the Cnidaria family expects the two bodies. What is the two basic body அப்படின்னா polyp and medusa ன்னு சொல்வாங்க. இதுல வந்து two type of body மா, ஒன்னு polyp, another one medusa. தான் important. polyp அதோட பாடியோட டைப் வந்து polyp, another one medusa. What is the polyp? Polyp form a sessile. The polyp அப்படிங்கிறது sessile அப்படின்னா attached இருக்கும், that is called sessile. Next, the medusa is a umbrella shape. They are free swimming. அப்படி நீந்திக்கிட்டே இருந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். Okay, there is a medusa umbrella shaped and free swimming. umbrella shape னா இந்த மாதிரி கொடை மாதிரி இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். Okay, polypங்கிறது கீழே உள்ளது. This is polyp, this is medusa. Okay, the polyps are sessile, they attach to it is attached to another one. The medusa is this is medusa is umbrella shape, it is free swimming. Okay, this is a free swimming. Okay, so next one, the polyp represent the asexual reproduction, the medusa represent the sexual reproduction. The polyp represent the asexual reproduction. Polyp represent the asexual reproduction and medusa represent the sexual reproduction. What is the difference between the, already you know what is the difference between the asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction na two type of parents is needed and asexual reproduction na no need for the two parent. Okay, so the normal method in the spore formation. Okay, another one bud formation, when the parent body produce one or more bud, the buds are separated from at the suitable situation, the buds are separated, it is developed the new organism, that is called budding. The normal method, example of asexual method. Okay, so normally the polyp represent the asexual reproduction and medusa represent the sexual reproduction. Okay va, so another one is next, the polyp produce medusa by asexual production. Okay, the polyp produce medusa எதை உருவாக்கும்னா medusa உருவாக்கும். எதுல? asexual reproduction. The method asexual. Another one, the medusa produce polyp by sexual method. Okay, next, the medusa produce polyp Medusa produce polyp by sexual method. Okay, do you understand polyps by sexually method? So what is the do you understand the phylum? Cnidaria. Cnidaria previously called Coelenterata. The first one, these are the first tissue level organization. It is a sessile, it is a marine organism. It is a sessile or free swimming. What is the meaning of sessile? Is easily attached to another one or free swimming. So it is a solitary or colonial form. Okay, solitary na thalaiya irukum, colonial is a group forming. So next one, it is a symmetry type, radial symmetry. Okay, next diploplastic. The gem layers is ectoderm, endoderm present. So it is called as a diploplastic. Next is a single opening is present which serves as the ingestion and egestion. Okay, so next point, the digestion. What is digestion? Larger food molecules is converted to smaller food molecules, that is called digestion. Okay, the two type of digestion, extracellular and intracellular. What is the meaning of extracellular? Digestion take place outside, that is called extracellular. Digestion take place inside, that is called intracellular. Okay, next one, it is normally the Cnidaria is made up of calcium carbonate. Okay, in the coral reef, normally example coral reef solvom pavla, but it is made up of skeleton framework enala pora irukna calcium carbonate. Next one, the two main bodies present. What is the two main body? One polyp, another one medusa. Polyps are sessile. Okay, another one, the medusa are umbrella shaped. It is a free swimming. So next one, the polyp represent the asexual reproduction and medusa represent the sexual reproduction. Okay, next important point, the polyp produce medusa. This is medusa, this is polyp. The polyp produce medusa by asexual method. The medusa produce polyp by sexually. Okay, the common larva, it's a free swimming larva. The common larva name planula larva. Ciliated planula larva. Larva name planula larva. Okay, so what is the larval name of Porifera? Ambiplastula. Okay, this is a Cnidaria larva, planula larva. Okay, next phylum. Ctenophora. Next phylum name Ctenophora. What is the next phylum name? Ctenophora. What is that? Ctenophora. The spelling Ctenophora. Okay, next phylum Ctenophora. Ctenophora exclusively marine. எல்லாமே என்னதான் அப்படினா marine. Okay, these are the marine and biradial. It is not a radial na biradial symmetry. The symmetrical type வந்து biradial. So what is the meaning of biradial ma? The body parts are arranged along the central axis. If we cut the central axis, we can get two equal halves. That is called biradial symmetry. Okay, do you understand? First, it is a exclusively marine organism. It is a biradial. Another one, it is a diploplastic animal. Diploplastic animal. So what is the meaning of diploplastic? Already I said ma, ectoderm and endoderm present. So it is called as a diploplastic. Diploplastic nale ectoderm and endoderm present. So it is called as a diploplastic animal. The next one, they are tissue level organization. This is what level? It is not a cellular level organization. It is a tissue level organization. It is a tissue level organization. Okay, so the next one, the important point ma, it contains the amoebocytes and smooth muscle cells. The pathway look like a ball. Look like a ball more big. Beneath in the bar, the ball more in the Maria. Okay, mama. So they contain amoebocytes and smooth muscle cells. Pathway is smoother. The ball more is smoother. The smooth muscle cells present. Smooth muscle cell present. Okay, so next one important point, they have a 8, they have a 8 external row present. External row ciliated coplate are present. 8 coplate present. They are single row of external external, okay, external graph attached to the comb plate are present. What is the use of the comb plate? Which involved in the locomotion process. What is the use of the comb plate? It involved in the process, locomotion process. What is the meaning of locomotion? Locomotion means it's moving. It moves from one place to another place. That is called locomotion. So what is the use of the comb plate? The comb plate involved in the process locomotion. Thus commonly called as comb jellies. இதுக்கு பேர் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? comb jellies. கடல்ல சம்டைம்ஸ் நீ பார்த்துருப்ப அப்படியே பயோலுமினசென்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. பயோலுமினசென்ட் அப்படின்னா the ability of living organism to emit light. அப்படியே லைட் எமிட் பண்ணி கலர் பால் மாதிரி கடல்ல வந்து பார்த்தா அப்படியே மிதந்துகிட்டு இருக்கும். இதுதான் இந்த comb jelly. Okay, what is the meaning of comb jelly ma? It is a bioluminescence. What is the meaning of bioluminescence? The ability of living organism to emit light. That is called bioluminescence. Very very important character, bioluminescence. So the living organism emit the, okay, the ability of living organism to emit, okay, to emit light. எதெல்லாம் emit பண்ணும்? emit light. இப்படி கலர் பால் மாதிரி பாருங்க மாதிரி தெரியும். கலர் அப்படி கலர்ஃபுல்லாக தெரிஞ்ச மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், they cell called nematodes. Another one important point in Cnidaria family. Cnidaria family like nematodes is present. What is the nematodes? Now what is the use of the nematodes? To catch the prey. இறைய பிடிக்கிறதுக்கு நிமோட்டஸ் ஸ்டிங்கிங் செல்ஸ், கொட்டக்கூடிய செல்ஸ் இருக்கும். பட் இன் பயோலுமினஸ் in family Ctenophora, in stinging cells, nematode cells is absent. Okay, the special cells called coloplast is present. The cells name coloplast. Coloplast present. The cell name enna coloplast. The cell name coloplast present. Next one, they are the use. What is the use of the coloplast? They are used in the food capture. What is the main use ma? Food capture. இறைய பிடிக்கிறதுக்கு. Okay, this is food capture. Okay, so next one, the digestion. What is the meaning of digestion? Already I said ma. So what is digestion? Digestion method, extracellular or intracellular method. Okay, extracellular or intracellular. So what is the meaning of extracellular? Digestion take place outside, that is called extracellular. Take place outside, that is called extracellular. Digestion take place inside, that is called intracellular. Okay va? So next one, the sexes are not separate. What is the meaning of sexes are not separate? Now it is a hermaphrodite animal, so sexes are not separate. Okay, the next point, the sexes are not separate. Okay, so what is the meaning of sexes are not separate? It is a hermaphrodite animal. Next, the development is indirect development. The larva name Cynipped larva. The larva name Cynipped larva. Cynipped larva. Okay, so what is the phylum Cnidophora? First one, marine is a biradial symmetry. It is a diploplastic animal. It is the first tissue level of organization. It is a smooth muscle cell present. It is look like a ball shape. The 8 row of comb plate is present. What is the use of the comb plate? It is involved in the process of locomotion. It is otherwise called as a comb jellies. It is a main character. It is a bioluminescence. What is the meaning of bioluminescence? Bioluminescence means the living organism to emit light. That is called bioluminescence. Next one, the holoplast is present. What is the use of the holoplast? It is involved in the main process, food capture. Next, digestion. Digestion is a two type of digestion, intracellular and extracellular. What is the meaning of extracellular? Digestion take place outside, that is called extracellular. Digestion take place inside is called intracellular. So next one, the sexes are not separate. The larva name, larva is indirect method. It is a Cynipped larva is present. Okay students, what will learn today ma? First, what are the first phylum? Protozoa, Porifera and Coelenterata, Cnidaria and Ctenophora. Okay, we discuss the next phylum next class. Thank you students. Today home assignment. This is the salient features of Cnidaria. Thank you students.